Hey there! Today we're collabing with 13 fabulous YouTubers on a Galentine's charming gift exchange. So I hope you stick around and watch my video and then go along and find all my friends' videos. So stick around after the intro. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrances, skincare, handbags, all sorts of lovely goodies. Today we're collabing with 13 fabulous YouTubers out there for the 2026 Galentine's charming gift exchange. And I have my list here. So we have the fabulous coordinator DeeDee Bean and Jack's Bag Attack, myself, La Vida with Kim, Another Chance Resale, that's Kirsten, Delene from Yoshia Lux, Deandra from Fashion Without Limitations, Maria from Maria Louise Loves Luxury, Mandy from Just One More Bag, James from James Jam, Savannah from Savannah Mills, and Rhiannon, What's on My Shelf. 13 fabulous ladies. I think I missed somebody. I'm pretty sure I missed somebody. I'll add whoever I missed, because I'm like, I know there's 13 of us. So I will find the last person and add on the thing. All right. I think it's Lo Yay Yay. I swear. I've been kind of out of sorts because I had my puggy Poppy passed, so I've been kind of just kind of, you know, not quite myself, but hopefully we will have a fabulous video here and be able to enjoy ourselves. I have, first of all, a fantastic item that I got from Amazon. I haven't opened it other than to unseal it here. And this is from DeeDee, who is, again, our organizer of the event here. And she sent over this lovely gift. It says, "Wind chimes, listen to the wind." And I will go in here and check it out. So I have little sayings on it. You bring the sunshine. That's sweet. Oh, it's awesome. So yeah, a little fabulous little trinket for us. Very cute. Thank you, DeeDee. Very kind. All right, so I have my Galentine's package right here, and I have a little, I haven't opened it yet. I haven't even started. I thought I would do everything on camera. So here we go. Pickles is down here keeping me company, being the good little pug that she is. Maybe she thinks there's good use for her. Who knows? There's always hope, right? She's like, is there a treat for me, Mom? I did the right side, because there's a card right there staring at me. Please forgive the packing of the box. Okay, I had the same problem. So there's the card, and thankfully I have a little area I can set everything down right here. So let me find out who my Galentine is, from one coffee lover to another. Girl. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love it. That's the coolest card. It's a giant donut. Rhiannon's my, oh my God, we got each other. That's awesome. So I was her Galentine, and I sent her a package out. That's too funny. That's awesome that we got each other. So there's my donut, and I got a little gift card to Starbucks, my favorite place. Put that right there. That's awesome. Thank you, thank you. All right, where do I start? Any order? I don't think so. So, glitter drink bombs. Oh, cool. Indulge your taste buds in a little love. Strawberry cotton candy. Oh, that's fun. That'll be fun. Open your favorite bubbly beverage, fill glass half full, open cotton candy glitter, drink bomb, pouch, drop glitter bomb into filled glass, stir sort of see your bubbly sparkle. That would be awesome. That's gonna be really cool. That's fun. Awesome. Hi, Mama. Thought it might be fun to wear for the video. No pressure. Challenge accepted. I will do it. And you know what? I have the perfect hairdo for the day as well. So there we go. Challenge accepted. Oh, there's lots of little things in here. This, okay, this thing I hope is just packing. Okay. I don't want to just throw things aside if there is something in packing. There's lots of little things. Candy. Some chocolates. Ghirardelli and Lindor truffles. Yum. If I look a fool, do not comment that I look a fool. Please have some pity on me. But I think I probably look fine. Thank you so much for the chocolate. And we've got something interesting shaped. Let's. Aww. We got some decorations, coffee and donuts. I love it. Pops of joy that make the moment. Aww. It's gonna have to go. I gotta figure out more places to put stuff. It's gonna have to go in the background. I love it. I love it. More candy. Yes. You know, chocolate's my favorite. Milk and dark chocolate hearts. Yes. I'm gonna share this with Steph though, because you know he deserves some candy. And this might be the last thing. I hope. Pickles. Pickles is eating the tissue paper. I'm gonna have to grab her in 2 seconds. This looks like a Coach item. That's fancy. Very kind. Is this just a, hopefully this is just a gift note. See, very nicely wrapped. So funny thing is I asked for, I also ordered something from Coach and I asked for gift wrapping and they just threw it in the box. And I'm like, you know, it would be nice if you could follow the instructions that we that we ask for, but I've had the worst luck ordering online. Aw, wishing you a wonderful Galentine's Day. I love Manning. Thank you. I hope you had a good one too. So lovely magnetic box. Yeah, they did a great job wrapping it. It's beautiful. Comes in a little pouch. Oh my God, this is hysterical. This is exactly what I got her. We were like, that is hysterical. That is hysterical. Oh my God. That is hysterical. I love it. I did want it for myself. That's too funny. That is hysterical. Wow. It's like we're ready to respond. Thank you. That's awesome. Thank you so much. That's so great. That is too funny. That is too funny. We're like this. We have a lot of things in common though. I know when we watch the videos, I'm like, oh yeah, I totally love that same fragrance. So we have a lot of things in common. Anyway, this is awesome. Thank you so much for my gifts. I really appreciate it. And thanks to all the ladies who wanted to collab on this. I love doing this every year. I think this is our 3rd year doing it. It's really, really fun to do. I really enjoy it. And, you know, we just have a great time here. I'm going to pick Pickles because she wants to be in the show. So Pickles says hi and thank you all for the love. and she will be a good little girl, won't you, Mama? Yeah, you are a good little girl. So thank you for joining us. I hope you have a great Galentine's / Valentine's Day, and I will see you on our next video. Take care. Bye. Hey, Mama. You're a good little girl. I know. You're so good.